The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom/3.5 bath condo that you must see to appreciate. You'll love the open, large and inviting floor plan. Each of the bedrooms has its own bathroom, plus there's an additional half bath. The kitchen will please any gourmet chef with its granite countertops, cherry cabinets and stainless steel appliances. The new screen deck offers additional living space and has a closet for storage. There's also part of the deck that's open for you to enjoy grilling and making memories. The 9-foot ceilings help make this spacious 1,930 square foot condo seem even larger, and you'll love the fireplace in the living room for those chilly nights. The laundry/utility room is extra large, which offers even more storage. A 14 by 34 boat slip and 2 PWC slips are included in the price. Mystic Bay is a gated complex with a lakefront pool, hot tub, elevators, and a lakefront sidewalk. Make an appointment to see this lovely condo home today.